Hey there! If your Makercart just arrived, this quick walkthrough will show you how to get everything unpacked, set up, and ready to use. Let's start with the big box. That's your fully loaded cart, pre-packed, labeled, and organized. You'll also see smaller boxes. Those hold restocks and large supplies that don't fit in the cart. Each Makercart supports up to 80 students without needing a single refill run. Open up the box and then let's start by removing the plastic wrap. It might take a moment to get through it, so take your time. Inside, you'll find a fully packed cart with individually wrapped containers, each clearly labeled and grouped by activity. You'll see everything inside is already sorted, each bin labeled and ready for your classroom. Each bin is clearly labeled with the items in it, so you know exactly what's inside. No sorting, no guesswork, just grab and teach. Next, take off the top bins and grab the assembly kit that comes with your cart. Use the screws and accessories to attach the handle and backboard in place. The Makercart and EdMaker logos have magnets on the back and can be placed on the backboard as you like. Inside the small boxes, you'll find restock materials and larger items, pre-sorted and labeled to match your cart. Slip on the hooks to the backboard. These hooks are perfect for tape rolls, scissors, or other grab-and-go tools. Then, just place the top bins back in. And that's it! Your Makercart is fully set up and ready for learning. Head to Makercart Studio to start your first activity, or explore more at edmaker.com.